Ever been in the middle of a perfect shot or a live stream and your Canon Eos 250d battery just dies? Well, today we're solving that problem with the power of a dummy battery, giving you continuous, uninterrupted power for those extended sessions. First, let's look at what you'll need: your Canon Eos 250d, a compatible dummy battery often called a DC coupler, and a power source, which could be a wall adapter or a power bank. Step 1. Open the battery compartment of your Canon Eos 250d and remove the standard battery. Next, carefully insert the dummy battery into the compartment, ensuring it clicks fully into place just like a regular battery. Now, route the dummy battery's cable through the small cable flap on the side of the battery door. This allows the door to close completely, while the cable remains connected. Finally, connect the other end of the dummy battery cable to your power source if using a wall adapter. Plug it into an outlet if using a power bank. Ensure it's charged and turned on. And just like that, your Canon Eos 250d is powered indefinitely, ready for long recording sessions, extended live streams, or time lapses without a single battery swap. Enjoy the continuous power.